How will the Biden tax plan affect your small business? Here's what the Biden tax plan would mean to a successful small business owner. Much has been written about Joe Biden's tax plan over the past several months. While Mr. Biden has assured the public that he would only tax the rich, what would a Biden tax plan mean to a successful small business owner? Let's look at his proposals in the context of a successful small business. How much do taxes increase under the Biden plan? Let's say Mary owns a business that has 1.5 million of gross revenue, 400,000 of wages to employees, and net income for the owner of 800,000. Let's assume this small business operates as a sole proprietorship and Mary files her business tax information on Schedule C of her 1040. She also has a little bit of interest and dividend income that is offset by her itemized deductions. What is the consequence of the Biden tax plan on Mary's income taxes? Impact to deductions. First, let's look at the qualified business income deduction, or QBID. Under current law, Mary receives a deduction equal to the lesser of 50% of the wages she paid out. 400,000 by 50% equals 200,000, or 20% of her net income. 800,000 by 20% equals 160,000. This reduces her taxable income from 800,000 to 640,000. Under the Biden plan, she would not receive a QBID, so her taxable income would remain at 800,000. Related, JP Morgan predicts stock market bump if Trump wins and 640,000 of taxable income. Mary would pay income tax of $200,890, ignoring the deduction for 50% of self-employment taxes addressed below and using the 2021 tax rate schedules released by the IRS. Biden proposes raising the tax rates back to the pre-2018 rates, which would result in a tax on Mary's 800,000 of taxable income of $272,619, ignoring the deduction for 50% of self-employment taxes addressed below, for an increase of $71,729. Increased Social Security and Medicare taxes. Under current law, Social Security taxes will phase out after $142,800 in 2021. This means that Mary would pay $17,993 of Social Security tax and $28,605,800 plus $22,800 of Medicare tax. Medicare doesn't phase out under the current law, and the first $200,000 of income is taxed at 2.9% and the rest at 3.8%. Under Biden's plan, Social Security would jump back in at $400,000. This means that instead of the current total Social Security and Medicare tax bill of $46,593, Mary would now pay an extra 12.6% on the amount of her self-employed income above $400,000 or $50,400, for a total of $96,993. Mary would get an income tax deduction for 50% of this increase, for a benefit of $9,979, and net increase in tax of $40,421. Total tax increase under the Biden plan, Mary's tax bill will go up $112,150, $71,729 plus $40,421. Credit Wealth Ability. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.